What's up guys? In this video I will show you how to download torrents on your iPhone using the app iTransmission, how to install iTransmission using Impactor, and as well I will show you which VPN to install for free and add an extension to it. This way you can hide your IP address. In order to be able to install iTransmission on your iOS device, you will need to download Impactor from CD Impactor, then download the IPA file iTransmission from iOS Ninja. After that, you will need to create a developer account at Apple. In your developer account, you will have to create a specific password which can be used when you want to install apps with Impactor. Go to Google and type in Impactor, and in the results you'll have the first link, CD Impactor. You'll find the macOS version for Impactor. Download it, open it, and then install it. Once the Impactor is installed on your Mac, go to iOS Ninja, go to Library, scroll down, and you'll find iTransmission. Click on it and go to download the IPA file. After the IPA file is downloaded, it will appear on your downloads. So open your downloads, and next step is you want to drag and drop it on your desktop. Go to apple.com and choose to manage your Apple ID. Sign in. You will have to use the two-factor authentication. After you are logged in, you'll have to scroll down until you get to the part where you have to generate the password, an app-specific password. So here you'll have to just insert just a random password. I'll show you how I do it, so it will be easy for you. So just type in a random password, and after you create this password, Apple will generate a for authentication password for you. So here we have now the password generated by Apple. Go to your desktop and drag and drop iTransmission IPA file to Impactor. Type in your Apple ID, and then you want to paste the password that was generated by Apple. As you can see, now Impactor is forcing the app to get on your iOS device, so it will appear on the screen. Yeah, as we see, it's there. So we go to Settings, then go to General, scroll down until you find Profile, Device and Management, tap your ID, and you'll see that iTransmission is verified. And it's working. Next, go to App Store and type in Luna VPN. Then download the app, which I already have downloaded, so I just press open, but you'll have to download it. Then connect. Once you're connected, go to Safari and type in MBAN Networks. This is the extension for Luna VPN. Tap on the second link, then agree, and tap Unblocking Certificate. Go then to your profile download, and you'll see there AdBlock extension. You'll have to type in your password, then go to install, and it's done. Then go to any torrent website and download a file, and as you can see, it's start to download. And once it's downloaded, you just tap on it and scroll down until you see files, and files, you'll see the biggest file that is there, like 1 point something gigabyte. Tap on it and you can transfer it via iDrop, for example. It's just an example. There are many other ways to transfer to your MacBook or any other devices, but I use it this way. I'll leave the links down below, so if you want to see more like this, please hit subscribe and like this video. Cheers!